Need to rough cut these. Back of it should be somewhere around there.
His name was James.
Oh. Apparently I have audio problems again, so I'll have to make do with making my own. Ooh. Engage big saw noises. Ooh, panting noises. Curvy, twisty, turning saw noises. Creak, 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 old saw drill noises. Okay, enough of that. Let's actually get back to the actual audio. Oh, look, audio file found. One pump. One pump. Mix, 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 mix. What's in the secret sauce? For the meeting. Don't let it move. Oh no, it moved. There it is. See that line?
this one to be a fairly thin coat set. Just like that. There it goes. Almost. So there you have it. A resole on a plane. A friend of the channel contacted me and said, hey, I just did a restoration on the Stanley number 36 Transitional, except for it needs a new sole. The mouth is really big on it. Can you make a new one for it? It's not something I want to tackle. And I said, you know what, that'd be a great idea. I've never done a resole on a plane before. I mean, I've done them before, I've just never done a video on it, and this would be a great opportunity to do that. Now, if you want to see more detail on this, I have a whole second channel where I go through and talk through what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and explain all the ins and outs of what actually happened on this. So if you want to see that, I'll leave a link to that one down below, or go over to the Wood by Wright how-to channel. But I think that'll do it for today on this one. And if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, throw them down below. You know how that works. It actually helps with the channel. Anytime you comment down below, or be one of those people who just comment down below, thank you. Gets us in front of more people, helps the algorithm work, and we all bow to the all-powerful Google algorithm. Also, if you want to go even farther though, there's a bunch of names over here. Those are some of the most amazing, wonderful, benevolent people over on Patreon. Because without patrons, we wouldn't exist. Between members and people who hit that thank you button, you guys keep us going. You keep the lights on and allow me to do weird videos like this. So if you like that and like to help out with more of that, then think about becoming a patron. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Unfortunately, anytime you do this particular task, you can no longer keep the plane, because at that point it's been resold.